Project name is hydraulic chair with joystick controlled moving vehicle. This is a 12 volts adapter. This is to be, the power is to be connected to the board here. These are the syringes. This is the syringe to raise the flap. This flap will raise and fall by operating this syringe. There is one more syringe which you can operate to raise the height of the chair. You can raise like this using this by operating this. Now let us see how to connect the power supply to this system. This is the power supply adapter. You have to connect the adapter in this black socket like this. Now you have to connect the adapter in the power supply. Once power is connected and switched on, the red LED on the adapter will glow. Now you have to operate this joystick. This is a joystick. The operation of the joystick is when you move it forward, the entire chair will move forward. When you move it backward, the chair will move backward. When you push it to left, it will move left, and when you push right, it will move right. Now let us see the operation. I am pushing it forward. Okay, I am pushing it backward. Now I am pushing it left. I am pushing it right. No, forward, backward, left, right. In this chair, these are the hand rests. This is one hand rest and this is another hand rest, and this is the foot rest. This is the foot rest. Now it has got two operations. This base will raise and this flap will change its angle. Now when you push this syringe, the flap will increase. Now if I push it backward, the flap will become flat. Push it again to raise the flap. Pull it back to lower the flap for sleeping or taking a rest position. Now let us move it backward. Now let us also study how this chair will be raised. Now when you push it, the entire chair will raise. When you pull it, the chair will lower. Now let us see the operation in another direction. Now the chair is being raised. Again you pull it back, the chair will lower. When you push it, it will raise. When you pull it, it will flatten.